Hi, we are System.io 4-H, and today we are going to be talking to you about Pixy Cam. So why are we talking to you about Pixy Cam? Well, every year in the FTC Game Challenge, there's always an aspect of vision. And last year with Relic Recovery, it was with the jewel, you had to knock the jewel off, and this year it's with the sampler, you need to knock the sampler off. So Pixy Cam can help you detect colors, and so let's get into it.
So what is Pixy Cam? Pixy Cam is basically a vision sensor that can detect angle, distance, light, and color. So general information about the Pixy. Pixy Cam can detect 50 frames, and it can connect to an Arduino, a BeagleBone, Raspberry Pi, and even a computer. It can detect up to 7 color signatures, and it's hue-based, meaning it can detect distinct colors. However, it can also detect white, but it's more harder because there's more white in the background.
So there's two ways to detect colors. So the first way is what we like to call it the manual way. So let's just say you want the Pixy Cam to detect a ping pong ball. So what you do is you see this white button right here. You'd press it, wait for 2 seconds, then move the object. And so now you see that the LED feedback is white. But right when the object is placed near it, then it will turn to that specific color. As you can see, it still happens. So that's the manual way, but the second way is what we like to call the Pixymon way. So you basically connect the Pixy Cam to your laptop with Pixymon pre-downloaded. So as you can see here, it can see whatever you point it to. And what you do is you place that specific object in the Pixy's field of view, and you press Action, Set Signature 1, and then it took a picture of whatever your object was. Then you select a specific region that you want it to detect, and as you can see right here, it says S1. So that means it has detected signature 1. And for other signatures, it'll say S2, S3 for signature 2, signature 3 respectively.